Spirit of my silence, I can hear you, but I'm afraid to be near you, and I don't know where to begin, and I don't know where to begin. Somewhere in the desert, there's a forest and an acre before us, but I don't know where to begin, but I don't know where to begin. Again, I lost my strength completely. Oh, be near me, tired old mare with the wind in your hair.
What is this planet? I don't know. We've never been here before. Maybe we're on the edge of the universe. Hey, cool. Let's see if we can find some aliens. Hey, the ground is moving. The planet's gonna eat us. We have to get back to the ship right now. Then let's get the heck out of here. Oh no, the control panel's not working. We're stuck in the middle of nowhere.
Hold on. Let me just give you a hand.
Yay! Yay! Yoo-ha! Woo! We're saved! It's a miracle!
No, it's just me, Captain Spirit, who can bend all matter to his will. I did it. I still got the power.
Now I just need to make a cool costume for Captain Spirit. Gotta have a cool cape to fly. Good thing I have one. Mask or no mask? Secret identity or not? Yep, looks cool so far. Let's see. What about the armor? So cool. Should he be dark or colorful?
Beware, Mantroid. Watch out. Captain Spirit is ready for battle.
Hello, Saturday morning. I can do anything I want today.
Airball. I should ask Dad to show me again.
Yes!
This isn't greedy, right, Santa? Plus, Dad will love that I want basketball lessons. At least the Forest Warrior protect me from the snow ghost. Dad said he was gonna fix that last month. Right.
Dad took away my firecrackers when I blew up the garbage can last year. I wonder where he hid them.
What kind of a Viking would I be?
Here comes the shark stinger.
Captain Spirit doesn't need weapons. But just in case.
Watch out, supervillains. Today I make my own superhero costume.
It is time for my secret tattoo. Only my team will know what it means.
Every superhero team needs a supervillain team.
Chris, breakfast.
So glad I did my English homework already. Miss Stroud's pretty nice, and she likes my stories. Jeez, good job, Chocolate Hog. Chocolate. Thanks, Claire. Gotta have a super cape. Only Captain Spirit can wear it.
Ooh, the shark stinger is looking for victims. Look out! Here comes the evil car! Ah!
That pedestrian better get out of the way.
That was your last ride, Shark Stinger. Yes, Captain Spirit saved us.
You'll never run over anybody again.
Chris, I'm eating now.
You can't win this battle, Noctarius.
It's already over, Power Bear.
Don't let Metroid control you.
Nobody controls me. Mantroid's my leader, and he wants you to die.
Give up now. We don't have to fight.
You're not the boss of me, Power Bear.
Mantroid's your boss now. Why do you join his team?
The same reason you joined Captain Spirit's team, to win.
Captain Spirit has helped the world over and over.
Liar! Where were you and Captain Spirit when Mantroid saved my life? Huh? Good guy?
I'm sorry, Noctarius. We want to be here for everybody.
You're the enemy. Now take this.
Ooh.
Ow, my back. How? How did you... This? I can't move.
Captain Spirit, please come to my aid. I can't defeat Noctarius on my own. I can't. Captain Spirit. Power Bear, I'm here to finally destroy Noctarius. You never fail us, Captain Spirit.
No, you can't do that to me. I'm just a puppet.
Then let's cut your strings.
No, don't. I give up. Mantroid, help me, Master. You can't kill me. You said you don't kill people.
Good job, but we still have to deal with Mantroid. With Captain Spirit in charge, our team is going to win every battle.
Chris, I mean now.
Hey, Chris, you better come to breakfast when I holler at you, or else we're gonna have a problem.
But I...
Don't. This isn't a hotel, buddy. I got things to do.